Hey everyone, so for video journal 3, we're talking about the student that we are going to observe as well as the speech and language pathologist. So here's a little background. The student that I plan on observing will call that student J so that we're not using any names, just initials and giving away confidential information or anything like that. She is a fifth grade student, is labeled with autism along with emotional disturbances, and a laundry list of other things, but those are her two primary. She came to me from a basic classroom, so a classroom for students who are intellectually delayed. She has a very low IQ and functions at about a second grade level. We see a lot of extreme and severe behaviors, aggression, physical aggression, verbal aggression, a lot of elopement. And then as far as her language that we see, she's very delayed in her language as well. So she has goals in receptive semantics, expressive communication, supporting peers, and then also general social communication, along with a bunch of academic goals in writing, language arts, and math as well. So those are some of those problem behaviors in general, as well as ones that are specific to areas the SLP would be working on. Along with, we also work on those in our classroom, but the SLPs are providing the majority of that intervention and instruction in those areas. As far as communication, my plan for interviewing the SLP and how to set up that meeting, she sees quite a few of my students, so I see her on a weekly basis. So basically just sending out an email asking her if we can set up a meeting. We're both there before and after school, as well as seeing each other throughout the day, like I said, on a weekly basis. So it's not going to be hard for me to set up a meeting. The SLP, Regina, who has worked in our district for 15 years and even longer, I don't remember exactly how long she's worked as an SLP in general, but I know she's worked for our district for over 15 years. She works at a non-public school setting as well as our public school setting, and has been doing this for a very long time, working with all different types of children with all different types of needs, with social communication, receptive communication, and expressive communication, along with articulation. Sorry, I'm like at a loss of words tonight. Along with articulation and pragmatic skills as well. And my plan for interviewing her will, like I said, just to be set up a meeting and find a time that we're both available to be able to do that, and then to be able to interview her, which, like I said, we see each other on a regular basis. I don't think it will be hard to find a time where we can both do that. But that's my plan and a little bit about my student. Thanks.